Hi, my name's Christy. I had a breast lift here at Alamo Plastic Surgery with Dr. Albright. I have one child. I did not breastfeed my child, but over the course of several years, I noticed many changes in my breasts. They just weren't where I wanted them to be. They weren't like they were when I was younger, quite frankly. So I wanted a change. I wanted to change that. I wanted to look better. I was really afraid to look into it, very afraid, quite honestly. I didn't know what to expect. It's overwhelming. You don't know where to start. And I wasn't sure if someone could help me, if a surgeon could help me. I just wasn't sure. I wasn't sure if it was worth it for the many reasons that there are for a surgery. I just didn't know if I wanted to do that. So I did some research, a lot of research, to be honest. I mean, because this is a pretty big deal. So you want to make sure you're doing your homework, you're doing your research, you want to make sure that you choose the right surgeon. I had no idea what I was doing other than my own research, which I did. I decided on Dr. Albright. And from the very beginning, I was confident. Even before the consult, I was just really confident with him. I guess it's because of the reviews, but also he has a lot of interviews out there where I could hear him talking. I could hear him explaining, and I could kind of see him as a real person versus just a surgeon on the computer. But I came in, we talked, the consult was, we had a really good talk. We went into all the questions that I had. He covered everything perfectly. I was so confident in how he treated me, how he answered my questions, how he went over the process, all of those things that I actually left here with a surgery schedule. We go into surgery. Of course, I was nervous. I don't know who wouldn't be. He came in, talked to me, explained to me exactly what was going to go on with anesthesia, during the surgery, all of these things. And I really did I just calmed down. So after surgery, of course, then I have a few follow-ups after that. But, you know, you start to recover. Your body is very good to you if you're good to it. And I started to recover very quickly and started to kind of see the results slowly. It takes time, right? But I started to slowly see the results. And there were a couple of crying moments, crying in a good way. Happy tears, going, oh my goodness, I cannot believe. And honestly, grateful tears. So grateful that he could help me, grateful that with my results, I'm amazed, truly amazed. I would have settled for half this result. I did not realize without an implant just how much he could help me. There's no doubt I did the right thing. There's no doubt I chose the right surgeon. And if I had it to do all over again, I absolutely would.